Tired of sending shipping confirmations without knowing if they actually look right on the customer's end? I get it. You put all this work into your store, and you want that unboxing experience to feel polished and professional. Well, here's the good news. You can preview exactly what that email looks like in Hostinger in under 60 seconds. No guessing, no crossing your fingers, no sending test orders to yourself. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through every single click in your Hostinger store so you can preview the shipping email before it ever reaches a customer. And I'll show you exactly how to find it, review it, and even tweak it if something looks off. Alright, let's jump right into your website builder. You should already have it open in your browser. This is the main view where you see your site laid out on the left side. Now go ahead and click on the Store option in the left sidebar. This is where all your shop settings live. From there, you want to click on Emails. And this is where things get interesting. Hostinger keeps all the customer-facing email templates right here. Order confirmations, password resets, and yes, the shipping confirmation we're after. So now click on Email Previews. This might feel like a small button, but trust me, this is the key to the whole thing. It opens up a panel where you can actually see these emails before they get sent out. Inside that panel, click on Shipping. And here's an important detail. Make sure you select Shipping Confirmation. That's the one that goes out when you mark an order as shipped, and it's specifically for physical products. If you sell digital downloads, you'll see a different option here. Now hit that Preview button. Give it a moment to load. Once the preview opens, you'll see a list of sample orders to choose from. Click on order number 1001 from April 13th, 2026. This is a test order that Hostinger generates so you can see exactly how the email would look with real product names, prices, and customer details. Take a good look at this preview. This is what your customer sees. You can scroll through the entire email, check the order summary, make sure the shipping address looks right, see if your store name and logo show up correctly. This is your chance to catch any weird formatting or missing information before a real customer ever sees it. If you spot something that needs fixing, just click the back arrow to return to the edit screen. From here, you can adjust the template, add your tracking number placeholder, tweak the color scheme, or update the store name. Then come back to preview again to double-check your changes. A couple quick tips as you wrap up. Always preview with a sample order that has multiple items. That way you can see how the layout handles a list. And once you're happy, send a real test to yourself using a test email address in your store settings. That confirms everything is actually working end-to-end. And that's it. You now know exactly how to check your shipping confirmation emails before they go out. No more surprises, no more wondering if it looks professional. Just a clean, reliable preview every single time. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.